Hello and welcome back to Every Problem. This is Stewart Calculus 8th edition, section 1.4, problem number 23. It says, if f of x equals 5 to the x, show that f of x plus h minus f of x over h equals all of that. So yeah, you can read the rest of that. It's quite a mouthful to say. So, okay, first thing is this form here that you see. There we go, if this is going to be cooperative today, there we go. This form that you see here, f of x plus h minus f of x all over h, that's going to show up all the time, okay? So as you do section 1.5 and then absolutely as you get into chapter 2, this f of x plus h minus f of x over h, yeah, I won't give away too much, but it's pretty much the whole idea behind a derivative, which is also what calculus is all about, right? Derivatives and rates of change and everything. So make sure you do whatever you can to get very familiar with this form, because it will come back again and again. So anyways, so what we're going to do is we're just going to have, let's use black for this. So we have f of x equals 5x, and they want f of x plus h, right? So anywhere we see an x, we'll plug in x plus h. So 5 to the x plus h minus 5 to the x all over h. Okay, now we're actually going to use exponent laws here. So 5 to the x plus h is the same thing as saying 5 to the x times 5 to the h minus 5 to the x, there we go, all over h, because remember our exponent laws say that when your bases are the same, if you have a to the x times a to the h, that's equal to a to the x plus h. So anyways, all of that said, we have this 5 to the x times 5 to the h. Notice how they each contain the common factor 5 to the x. So let's go ahead and factor that out. Let's factor out a 5 to the x. So we have 5 to the x factored out, and that leaves us with 5 to the h minus, well, when you factor out a 5 to the x there, all that's left is a 1. And that's all over h. And this looks like exactly what they wanted, right? Yeah. Right there. This is equivalent. So we have successfully showed that. And that's it for problem 23.